Namhlanje sisiniphathele itopic ethi ex-lover.
So nanomntwana ke awukwazi ukukhatha all ties.
Friend with benefits mina ngifela ngathi umuntu ojwayelene naye uclose naye uspend maybe isikhathi naye mara kunezinto enizenzako thina abanye singazazi zaziwa nginethu ama benefits lawo tsela noma benefits sexually or financially mara kunezinto esingazaziko ezenzakala kuna okunengi ukudlula lokho.
If nihlukene nilwa another person angisibona isidingo sokuthi kumele nifonelane, kumele nicommentelane nokuthi nivakashelane.
Utate. Bese ama-cost ke it's obvious man. Ama-cost ngoba nguwesokana ufuna utate loyo, ufuna ukumkhipha ama-cost evana coverwe lisokana.
In most cases, those benefits wako financially and sexual.
Bahlakaniphile, believe me, they're so wise. Ngidlela ukuthi akayikhuluma into aka research. Uyayiresearcha naketa bese abe nelwazi. Lakafika kuwe angathi wenza lo ufuna ukuyenza wamjikela uyalila nakafuna ku police station.